Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. A quick update while I wait for my dinner, because I'm on my way home from another 12.5-hour day. And again, like I told you all week, you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. There's not much time for me to make any videos. I'm extremely busy throughout the day, so it's just these brief updates. And I apologize, but you got to bear with me. I'm a working individual, and right now we are in a shutdown that ends Saturday. So after Saturday, it'll be a lot easier at night for me to make videos because I won't be so tired after dinner and have to get up 5 hours later, right? So you can see right now, Bitcoin on the flush today, it came right down to our circle, almost at 41,786. And now, like that pattern I just deleted, what could be happening now is we start to trade into this descending triangle right there for the next several weeks to a few months, possibly, where we bounce between 41,786, which is your double bottom from back there that we've been waiting to hit, or we're after a week or two of dancing, we're going to break that, and we're going to come down to what we're going to circle now is our next underneath target, just like that 41,000 finally got hit. This would be your next underneath target now if you can't hold that horizontal resistance at 41,969 is at 31,869, right? That's your underneath support now. But you could be trading within this descending overhead resistance, which is that orange ring that was acting as support right back here. It's now going to act as resistance, and that underneath blue line is going to act as your support until you break through it, right? So that's what we're looking at in the Bitcoin. The XRP has probably hit our target almost to, did it hit the double bottom? No, it was down there, 57 cents. But we did break the neckline of this head and shoulders topping, or a head and shoulders continuation pattern, right? It was already, the price was already massively crashing and consolidating. Then we broke out of that falling channel into a bearish continuation pattern that usually doesn't happen to be a head and shoulders, has a bearish continuation pattern, but it happened to be that. We've broken down through the neckline at 77 cents right here, right? You see that? And the technical target out of this is 58 cents, which is a beautiful double bottom right here, right? From way back there in December, the beginning of December on the flash crash. And we're now hitting underneath support on this old falling channel that used to be upper resistance when it was trying to break out, was upper resistance. Now that it broke up and it's falling back down, it should act as lower support. And what likes to happen now is you wick down, you get bought back up, and you back test this upper resistance. Now that was the support of the neckline, and then you start to trade back down, retest this channel again, fall through, hold support, trade back up, get rejected, and then you trade down to your underneath target. But the technical target is right there, right on the pattern breakdown. We'll move it over just so it lines up right. But the technical target is right there on the breakdown, which brings you right to your fib circle if it takes that long of the head and shoulders continuation pattern right there, 58 cents. So that's what I'd be watching out for in an up and down fashion, with your major upper resistance now at 77 cents. Your short-term lower support now that we're down here is where you just hit at 69 cents in a descending fashion, and then your lower support is 58 cents of a targeted move, right? So that's that right there. We look at XLM as the same thing. We hit that ring beautifully up here when we were here, and we were telling you if you get rejected and can't hold this, you're going to crash straight down to the underneath target, which happened to be the blue ring below at 24 cents. That's why we have that circled. And now we're almost down there at 24 cents, and we're going to trade in an up and down fashion now. In the 2-hour time frame or the 3 or 4, you're going to see the 200-day in green start to trend down as the price hits some support, trades back up and sideways into the moving averages, and it'll force it back down to your ultimate underneath target at 24.5 cents. And if you fail to hold that, your next short-term target is 22 cents, and then major underneath support at 14 cents in XLM. That's what it's looking like right now in the market. We'll try to give you one more good update before I go to bed tonight, but I can't make any promises as it's been a long, long day, a long week, and we're only halfway through it. Peace and love, peace and love.